Okay, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm just getting right into it, y'all. Right now I'm putting some coconut oil around my edges. So I don't know why we do this, but I be seeing people do this either with Vaseline or coconut oil or some type of oil. I think I'm using 30 volume developer, and I went ahead and I just put it in a mixing bowl and I sectioned my hair off into 4 sections. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I am not, and once again, I will say it again, I am not a professional. I do not care if my hair falls out. I am not attached to my hair, okay? So if everybody's freaking out right now, girl, y'all need to sit back and relax because this is just for fun, okay? But yeah, I'm applying the bleach generously around my locks, and I'm making sure to apply it generously on my scalp and stuff, just so the color actually pays off and it goes through perfectly how I want it to. So yeah, I basically sectioned my hair off into 4 sections, and now I am just applying the bleach. After I applied the bleach, I don't have a lot of footage of me applying the bleach to my hair because my camera died. But after I did the entire sections, I was using aluminum foil just to keep all the heat trapped in, I guess. I don't really know why they use aluminum foil. Once again, I am not a cosmetologist or whatever. All I know is whenever I see people doing hair videos, they're doing this. So that's what I did. If you guys see me like clenching my jaw a lot in the video, just know that I do that. I have anxiety, so I clench my jaw a lot just because I'm always anxious. Yeah. Oh my God, look at me. So look, my hair basically turned out, it was given very sideshow bomb. It was given Chucky from, what's his name? Chucky from... Is Chucky from Rugrats and the Chucky in the movie, the scary Chucky, the same? Like, are they based off each other? I don't know. And look at me. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, I'm taking pictures. This is really the ADHD at work. But anyways, so I mixed a bunch of colors to get this nice little red color that we have going on here. I mixed a bunch of colors. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just watch the video and come back at the end when we're all done. welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the end result of my hair. If you can see really closely, if you're looking really closely, you will see that my hair has grown out because, let me get my phone. I actually dyed my hair. I actually dyed and bleached my hair on May 31st. Yeah, May 31st. And today is actually June 12th. So it's been 2 weeks. I haven't gotten around to filming like an outro for the video because my hair was very like, my scalp was bleached completely, so it was like super it was just weird. It was just very weird. Like my hair was just like too red for me to feel a little comfortable with it, I guess. So when I first had it, it was just too red. But now it's really cute. I feel like it actually set in really nicely. If you see me looking off, I'm looking out into the mirror. But it actually set in really nicely. The color picked up really good. There was a lot that I had to do. I had to mix about 4 colors just to get this color. But overall, I think it looks really good. Again, I'm not a hair professional. I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm just a girl that be doing her hair and doing whatever she want to do with her hair. But I will say having this color in has probably, hold on, a bobby pin is like, girl, about to go right into my brain. Oh, hold on, girl. Let me take this out because this is about to kill me. But yeah, so having this hair color, since I've never done red before, never done like a bright red before, having this hair color, wow. I've been getting so many compliments. I've been getting like, it's just been crazy. Like people have been telling me that they love my hair color, like, and that this color fits me very well, and I really do like it. I think it looks really good. I think I'm getting on my shell a little bit more with trying hair colors, and I really want to do blue and purple next, and maybe like a green and like a soft orange. I want to try those. But yeah, this is the finished look for you guys. I'm gonna bring, so I retwisted my hair, and I had it done up in a style, but the style was just like, because I didn't know what else to do with it, so I took out the retwist because it was getting too tight and I didn't want to pull back on my edges too much. But I'm gonna come a little closer just so you guys could see what it all looks like. I've been putting oil in it and water. Yeah, I've been putting oil in it and water just to keep it moisturized. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. My hair doesn't feel too dry. Like sometimes it can feel a little dry and a little flaky at the scalp, but I've always had like a flaky scalp because I used to do perms when I was younger, and because I did perms when I had like a shortcut, so I've always just had like a flaky scalp. But it's not like too crazy, you get what I'm saying? Like it's just, honestly right now my scalp is less flaky than it was way before when I was getting perms and stuff. But yeah, I really do really like this look. I really might have this color for a while, and I might do this color again on my starter locks. If you guys didn't know, I am, I think, 10 months locked. So yeah, we're gonna get into more videos with hair stuff, more lock stuff. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you guys, if you guys are feeling it, let me know. Thank you guys for watching so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know other video ideas that you guys want to see in the comments down below. Okay, let a real girl know. Y'all be blessed, never pressed, and never stressed. Okay, Big Jen out. Peace.